Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Siren volume on your ARLO Pro 5 security camera. To change Siren volume, you want to go into Devices, here tap on the camera, then Settings, after which go down to Audio Settings, or if it's not there, Default Mode Settings. Here you can change Siren volume to whatever level you like. You can also change the length of how long the siren is going to be turned on for. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.